Describe an unusual meal. You should say, what was it? When and where did you have it? How was it different from other meals you've had? And explain your experience of having it. One unusual meal that I had was a vegan pizza with cashew cheese and kale. I had it at a small pizzeria in a hip neighborhood of my city about a year ago. The pizza was different from other meals I've had in several ways. First of all, the crust was made with whole wheat flour and had a crispy texture that I hadn't tasted before. Secondly, the tomato sauce was seasoned with garlic, oregano, and chili flakes, giving it a bold and savory flavor. Thirdly, the cashew cheese was a revelation. It was made from soaked and blended cashews, nutritional yeast, lemon juice, and salt, and had a creamy and tangy taste that resembled dairy cheese. Finally, the kale was added on top of the pizza after it was baked, and provided a fresh and slightly bitter contrast to the richness of the cheese and sauce. My experience of having this pizza was very positive. I enjoy trying new and healthy food options. This pizza was not only delicious, but also nutritious and environmentally friendly. I also appreciated the fact that the pizzeria used organic and locally sourced ingredients, and that the staff was knowledgeable and passionate about their food. In summary, the vegan pizza with cashew cheese and kale was an unusual vegetarian meal that I had, which was different from other meals I've had in terms of its ingredients, flavors, and values. It was a delicious and healthy option that broadened my culinary horizons and opened my mind to new possibilities.